A Tia gamer by the name of Mama Coco makes waves in the streaming scene, gaining over 50K fans in just 1 month, and lands a Telemundo interview all by playing GTA. Mama Coco has quickly become one of the most talked about new faces in the gaming and streaming community. In just 1 month, she gained over 50K fans across her platform, drawing in fans from all ages who can't get enough of her authentic energy and positive attitude. Her clips often showing her driving around Los Santos while giving Tia advice. Her sudden rise even caught the attention of Telemundo, who recently interviewed her about her journey into gaming, how she connects with younger audiences, and how she's breaking stereotypes about who can be a gamer. During a segment, Mama Coco stated that she started streaming for fun and to spend more time with her family, never expecting it to turn into a full-time career. Fans are saying that her success is refreshing, a reminder that gaming is for everyone, no matter the age. Mama Coco is proving that it's never too late to play, create, and inspire. Congratulations to Mama Coco for her success, but let us know your thoughts.